Hello, good morning everyone. Today is the 27th of February 2026, Tuesday, 24th of February. Yes, Tuesday. Now, how are you? Kamusta lahat? Okay, I'd like to share something about the continuity I was telling you of the burial ceremony, or shall I say burial activity of Chinese. That is two different things compared to our Filipino Christian way. In the Philippines, normally our mourning is 1 year, right? After that, in Ilonggo they call it Pukas Lalao. And we have what you call 9 days prayer, 3 of 9 days prayer, something like that. Well, in China, of course, this is how they practice. The mourning period of the deceased family is 3 years or 1,000 days. And after the burial, they also put light incense on the altar of the deceased family. You see, they have 2 altars. One altar is for the dead. The other altar is for the deity. Yung mga goddess of earth. Kung goddess of wealth. Ang goddess of earth is Totikong. Goddess of wealth is Teakong. Goddess of mercy is Kwanima. So, yun ang mga specifically practice ng Chinese if they believe in Taoism. Sometimes kung Buddhism naman, tsaka yung iba yung tawag nila yung Confucianism, hinahalo nila lahat ng mga figures sa isang altar, and then there they light on incense, 3 incense, signify offering for the god or the deity. Yun ang mga practice nila. Kasi in China, there are so many religion. Marami sila Taoism, may Taoism, Shinto. Meron silang Confucianism, Confucius. Meron Buddhism. Meron din silang yung si Mao Zedong, ina-idolize nila yan. Ginagawa nila something like elevate like a saint because of his accomplishment. Now, back to what I'm telling you about is, di ba tayo, we have 9 days of prayer or what you call that, every night praying for the dead. Chinese, they are doing that. And then it only stopped. Sa atin, 3 of 9 is already done. Sa kanila hindi. They have 49 days of doing that. Offering, lighting of incense, praying, and the like, and everything. Sometimes, kung medyo very wealthy people, pero pa silang burning of paper money. In the first 3 years, ang burning money nila is the gold money, and after that, beyond that, the silver money. And two. Oh, ganun na. Yun. So, sa atin, when we pray, we ask the divine providence to help us overcome our needs or our special requests. In Chinese, mayroon silang outright answer by doing this 2 ano tawag dito? Hindi ko kasi they are doing through 2 wooden things na ino-offer nila, tinatanong. Then after that, nilalaro nila. If the result is one on, one off, meaning sa isang isang kulob, that means okay. I was able to practice it when I went to Taiwan 2 years ago. February 2 years ago, maybe. Yes. I do some prayer, and I request favorably for the result of my congressman in Rojas City. The answer is affirmative. So, back home, uwi ako ng Pilipinas, I feel happy and positive na everything will do well, favorably. Also, there's what you call a wishing balloon. Wishing balloon na it is again done sa loob ng isang balloon store. Then you write your wishes. You state what you want to do, or you state what you wish to do, what you wish to happen, and see